Okay, it's time to test your graphing. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. Pause the video, try this one, and then press play to check. Are you stuck? Well, I'm Catherine, also Pie Crustable, and I've created an awesome 4-week program designed specifically to conquer the complexities of graphing linear equations. Start now focusing on a journey to not only pass, but excel in high school algebra. So let's see the answer. The first thing we need to do is make sure that it's in y equals mx plus b form. And in this case, it is. Then what we're going to do is we're going to circle the slope, which is a third, and then we're going to circle the y-intercept, which is -1. We're going to place a dot on the y-intercept. That's the number on the y-axis. And in this case, it's -1. Next, we want to rewrite the slope as rise over run. Our slope is 1/3, and that's rise over run, which actually means we're going to go up 1 and to the right 3 from the y-intercept. Place your pencil on the y-intercept and follow your rise over run. Now my pencil is on my y-intercept, which is -1. I'm going to go up 1 and over 3 and put another dot. Let's try that again because, that was kind of fun. We're going to follow our slope by going up 1 and over 3 and putting another dot. Now we just draw your line. Make sure you have arrows at the end of both of them. I also like to label it. And that's it! You did it! Remember, if you need some help, go to the comments below and I'm going to put a link there for you. Or scan this QR code. I hope you join me in my new class.